This is Bill and Ellie. I teach philosophy, and my favorite of the OERs was LibreTexts. They're very ambitious, and they seek to sort of be a one-stop shop for all OERs. They want to be like kind of the mega OERs of OERs. And I'll say, if there's time, a little bit more about that at the end. So here's how I would create a text and why I like it. So I'm teaching a philosophy 101. I include some text by modern or Enlightenment philosophers. And we primarily use primary text. We have to use primary text for our CIDs. We can supplement that with secondary text as well. But here is where I'm looking for, you can just watch what I'm doing, some text by, say, Descartes or David Hume. So for example, here's David Hume. And I tend to use sections 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 10 of Miracles of David Hume's Inquiry. And here's an example of a text that I normally use in my classes. This was originally written in English in the 18th century. So that's not a translation issue because we're still reading the original English. I'm not thrilled with the 4 questions here, but that's a minor quibble. So I found my reading, and now what I want to do is go to the remixer. And the remixer, what that means is I'm going to rename the book. So let's say it's Philosophy 101. There we go. Notice that it updates that right down here. Now I've already found the book. I've just shown you where I found the text. I'm going to go back to Bookshelves and find it again inside the remixer. When I do that, then it's a simple drag and drop. So here's David Hume, and I can drag it over here. Maybe I also like their Descartes reading. I can drag that over. Maybe I also want to include a reading by Kant. And it can kind of move it around, and that's really nice. My concern with this is that I only want part of the Hume reading, and I don't see here how I can split this Hume text into separate parts. That is one concern. Now I'm ready to publish it. I click Publish. And at this point, I need to have another account to publish it. Now let me say something else. What I love about LibreText is they understand the importance of the printed text. So for $12, they will print a paperback version of your textbook. It's 550 pages for only $12. It'll be black and white. Hardbound, $30 in color. So I might have 200 pages in my text, and I would imagine the cost would be maybe $6. I hope that our zero textbook cost would allow me to do that. And that's it. I like LibreText very much.